If your videos are not getting views, the problem might not be your title or your thumbnail. The problem might simply be that you are not making the video people want to watch or people are looking for. How do I know? That is the reason why I am making this video right now. I uploaded a video recently, and in that video, I showed my top 3 most viewed videos and I showed my top 3 most viewed shirts and how much they earned me. Now is the money merge, is the money fair? It's left to you guys to decide for that kind of channel. What I'm here to tell you today is how you can actually get more views to your videos, how you can actually draw more people to watch your videos, not in a wrong way, not in a shady way, but in the right way. I said in one of my videos that if you really want to grow on YouTube, you need to make your research and, let your analytics, always check your analytics after a few days you've posted a video. Okay, so now to the deal of the day. This is the hack here. If you've been making videos and you're not satisfied with your views, then you should follow through to what I'm about to show you. It is important that when you see videos like this, you should try to get to work immediately, not just say you will do it later. Because when I've discovered that when you're learning something and you do not implement immediately, you may tend to forget or tend to not even take action again. Maybe something happens and you forget and you don't do what you're supposed to do again. So if you're watching this, get your phone or your laptop and try to check what I am showing you. And if you know you're not going to be chanced now, you can save this video on your watch later. Then you come back and watch every step I'm going to be showing you in this video. When you get to your studio, this is how your PC studio is going to look like. And this is the AI feature over here. Once you click on that feature, it will bring this out for you. Now, what do we want to do? We want to ask, already you can see ask, how can Ask Studio help me? Summarize comments, suggest new video ideas, summarize my channel performance, more suggestion. So it's simply what this place is simply telling us is that you can actually even get your channel performance to know if your channel is doing well or not through these AI features. So can you see the AI features is not only for you to just be there on your dashboard or your YouTube studio doing nothing. It is for you to be able to know your channel better and know what is working on your channel. Now, before I go to ask this studio question, let me click on suggest new video ideas and let us see what it is going to bring out. So it is reviewing. Now, it says, it's clear from your recent videos on the Daniel that your audience loves quick, actionable hair hacks and versatile styling options. Your short hair tweak and braid clip hacks shorts have been great touch points, and viewers are even asking specific questions about the brand you use. Based on these trends and what your community is curious about, here are 3 personalized video ideas. Number 1 says 5 quick hair hacks every beginner braider needs to know for clean stitch braids. If I click on tell me more, it is definitely going to tell me more. And it's telling us why the idea is good. It says the idea is very likely to interest your audience as it directly follows up on the hack format that has worked very well for you recently. He gave me others. He gave me the best hair brands for kinky boho braids and how to maintain them daily. So if I simply want to promote a brand or just want to talk about a brand, I can just say the best hair brands and pick, okay, maybe extension hair, maybe QVR hair or some other hair brands. So that is how this AI ask works. Okay. So now to the business of the day, we want to get a video that is going to get more views through the studio, right? Now, let us assume that this channel is not in the hair niche. Let us say it is in the money niche. Or you want okay, let's say it's the air niche, right? Let's say I will now ask what people are searching for in my niche. Let me ask, what are people searching for in the air niche? So if your own is not hair, maybe your own is food, your own is money, your own is business, or your own is sell affiliate marketing. Just simply write here, what are people searching for in my niche? And let's see what it will bring out for us. Now you're going to get to see the magic of AI. Now look at what it says. It says understanding what's trending can give you a great edge for your next video on Deborah Daniel. That's the name of this channel. While specific search term data isn't currently available for your channel, we can uncover exactly what people are looking for by diving into your community's comments and broader niche trends. What your viewers are asking for. Your audience is highly engaged with your acts and trending styles, but they are consistently searching for practical product detail and sourcing information. So now, if I want to make a next video, it's just as simple as ABC. Search for 3 good brands and make videos on them. 3 good extension for boho braids, and I'll make videos on them. And guess what? People are going to watch. That is the number one thing you should take note of out of these 3 points on how you can make viral videos. Now let us go to the next one, which is the YouTube search. This is your YouTube search, and in this place what you simply need to do is, let's say you want to make a video on how to get let's say you want to make a video on jollof rice. Okay, now you are not just going to give your video title jollof rice. You're definitely going to look for a way to package your title, right? And that is why we are here. So let's go to the search place. Type jollof rice. Can you see? We have jollof rice recipe. We have jollof rice Ghana, jollof rice recipe, jollof rice Nigeria, jollof rice. Let me just click on jollof rice. Can you see we have this series of videos with millions and thousands of views on jollof rice? Okay, let's say I've gotten a video I want, and I want to, do my research or see what my competitors are doing. I want to use them as a guide on my own jollof rice video. What I'll simply do is click on this video. I have seen the title, right? This is the video. I'll click on it. Once I click on it, I'll still click more because the video is fast.
Please don't forget to hit the bell notification as well, so you can be.
You just see, but what you just want to check here is the hashtag, the title. You click on the see more to see the video description and how the person wrote theirs. Then you go ahead and create your video. So it simply tells you that. Another thing you can do is, let's say you want to talk about money making. If you click on money making ideas, you are going to see lots of videos talking about money. Can you see 10 small business ideas you can start under $100 as a woman, 4 ways to make money, 10 profitable small business ideas, and lots more. Make the only 25 ways to make money in 2026. Can you see that? And that video has 1 million views. So guys, these are where you should get ideas of videos that will go viral, not just thinking randomly and making your videos. Now to the third and the final for this particular video, which is very, very, very important. Let us go. Analytics. You are going to scroll down, click on your content. When you click on your content, you scroll down. Because I'm using my phone, I'm using the desktop on my phone. That's why you're seeing it this way. When you open your interface, this is what it would look like. When you click on analytics, you click on content. Then you scroll down. When you scroll down, you see somewhere like this. Okay. When you get there, you click on YouTube search. Can you see? So I'm going to click on see more. Look at what people are searching for and is making them see my video. People are searching for hairstyles. When they search for hairstyles, they find my video. When they search for hairstyle girl, they find my video. When they search for Brazilian wood hairstyle, they find my video. When they search for hairstyle girl new, they find my video. So let me click on see more. Now we are here. Now you want to pay attention to the views that came from each YouTube search. Okay, you want to pay attention to the views that came from there. You want to pay attention to the average view duration and average view per percentage view. So this is the last 28 days. You can see that in the last 28 days, people were searching for hairstyles, hairstyle girl, Brazilian wood hairstyle girl new. And let me tell you something, that this thing that people, these words, keywords that people are searching for, will also make up for your keywords for any video you want to create. For keywords, and use some of them for tags. That's my advice for you, so that your videos can also be easily detected. Then I want to change this to the last 365 days to actually see the totality of what people are searching for on my niche. So like I said earlier, this video is for people that are already on YouTube posting videos but are not getting views the way they ought to, despite the fact that you have good thumbnails, good titles, but your views are not just coming. So you should go to your analytics and check these things I'm showing you. Make use of your AI, make use of your YouTube search button to know the videos that people are looking for and people are watching. Okay. You also need to pay attention to the days the videos were posted for YouTube search and how many views those videos have gotten so far. Like I said, only use these videos as a guide. Do not copy and paste. Please do not copy and paste. That's my advice for you. There is no fast way or sharp way on getting monetized quick on YouTube. If you really want to get a whole long, if you're really thinking of long term on YouTube, you shouldn't rush things. And that's why I would advise that when you're coming on YouTube, make sure you have something giving you a little money, maybe a job or something, before you get monetized on YouTube and say you want to now diversify. We are on last 365 days. For the last 365 days, we can see that it's the same top 5. Now you want to pay attention to your top top 5. For my top 5 here, I have hairstyles. For people doing, maybe people on my niche, you can have how to make money on YouTube, how to get 1,000 watch hours fast, how to get more views on YouTube on your top 5. So when you get to your studio, whatever top 5 you find here is what you should keep making videos on, is what you should keep writing your titles around, is those words, those search words are what your video description should carry. I call them keywords, relevant keywords. Okay. So, what should be in your relevant keywords, in your YouTube video description, in your hashtag, and in your tags. Also, your title should be carrying these words. Then your video itself should be talking about what title you have placed or what is on your thumbnail. Do not do is it clickbait or clickbait. Do not do that. Do not deceive people to enter your video, and when they get into your video they are seeing something else. Okay, if you really want to go far on YouTube. So I'm going to stop here for today, and if you've gotten value, let me know in the comments, and I would love you to also share this video with someone you know it will be useful for. Don't forget to save it in your watch later so that you can always come back to it. And I'll see you in my next video. Welcome back. Now that you've seen how you can get more views on your video, go ahead and implement, and do not forget to check all my subsequent videos that I've posted earlier. There you can also learn one or two things. And at this point too, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, you know you are wrong, because this is actually one of the channels you need to always come to check for information. And I'm very sure that you will always get informed here. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.